Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chanelle and I'm going to do my April 2018 Ipsy unbagging. Isn't this so cute with the butterflies? Spring has sprung finally. It was warm today in Jersey and now it's freezing again. So we're going to get into what I got, but first, you know what to do. You know what to press. What am I going to say to press? I'm going to say to press subscribe. And I'm going to say to turn on the notification bells. And I'm going to say to follow my Instagram also, because you want to be part of the Glitz Glam fam. Okay? Now, let's get into it. What do we get here? What did we get here? I love Ipsy because I swear to you, every single bag they've given me a brush. And I love brushes. I live for brushes. So this one is... This is from Ruby. I've never used Ruby, but it feels pretty like heavy, pretty like sturdy. Oh no, it feels light actually. And this looks like kind of like a tapered, like it's like a crease brush, only it's like pointy. So I use this for like smoking out my lash line, or you can use it for like under your lash line, you know, stuff like that. Things like that. Things like that. Yeah, so this is a brush. That's pretty cool. Next thing I got was this. It feels very like a lot of product is in here. This is a mask. So this is, it warms and opens your pores. Oh, I used to use this when I was younger in high school. It's like a warming mask. I think I used the Biore one back in the day. But this one, so I guess it warms up when you put it on your face. That's cool. A self-warming clay mask. Pore opening and deeply cleansing. So yeah, that'll be cool to try. Okay. Okay. And this looks really cool. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna like read it and see. This says, apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed face and neck. Leave on overnight, rinsing off any residue in the morning. Oh, Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream from Clark's Botanicals. I've never used this before, but I live for moisturizers. Look how much you get in here. This is like a really good sample size. Nice. Okay. And I love moisturizers. I love moisturizers and scrubs and oils. I'm like, yes, come on. This is a Steve Laurent product. I've been seeing these in a lot of beauty boxes. This is actually a blush, so let's see what it looks like. Ow! Really hurt myself opening the thing. Oh, this is good for me. It's like a deep kind of magenta color. What is the actual color called? It's called I'm Blushing. So let's see. Oh wow, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty, pretty. You know I want to use it. You know I want to use it. I love a deep blush. Yes, come through, Steve Laurent. I know I'm gonna try this since I love blush. I have like so much makeup on right now. Guys, today's Coachella. Is everyone watching it on YouTube? I always love to put a little blush like on my forehead and my nose because I feel like it gives my face more color. Wow, this is pretty. Ooh, so pretty. I do already have blush on, but whatever. I love this. Okay, Steve Laurent. Okay. This is a pretty good size blush. Something good you can like throw in your bag, you know, or like your travel bag or something. And this is the swatch here. So it's really good for like deeper skin tones like mine. Not that I'm like super deeply skin toned, but whatever. I'm not fair. Last thing we got is this Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. And I guess they gave me the color Deep, which is Y500. I don't know how the shades work there, so let's see what it looks like. Marc Jacobs, though, that's expensive. It says self-setting finish. youthful. And it's like youthful. So this is the shade they gave me, which it might be a little dark. Check my neck. But dark's not bad. Oh, it looks a little dark. Let's see here. Oh, it has a seal on it. That's good. Let's open this up here. All right, let's see what the shade looks like. Because the bottle can be deceiving. Okay. All right. I feel like I would never buy a Marc Jacobs product just because I feel like it would be too expensive. But yeah. Oh, it's kind of red. Okay. It's like kind of red. I could get away with this shade actually. Honestly. Oh, well, just one. I spoke too soon. It's a little dark on me. But when you blend it out, hey, and it came in the box, you could at least try it, see if you like. It looks like it has a little bit of coverage. Okay. Okay. So it's a little deep for me, but I mean, summer's coming, so this would definitely match me in the summer. Probably, like when I have a tan. Okay. So these are the swatches. It's a little red for me, but I mean, I would try it, you know. Once you cake everything else on, the foundation doesn't really matter. Yeah, and this is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation. So everyone says they really like it. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's like I said, it's a little red for me, but yeah, I like more of like a more neutral-y kind of undertone. But yeah, that's what we got in our Ipsy. I never have complaints about Ipsy because I get a brush in every bag. I mean, they gave us Marc Jacobs, for God's sakes. Like, I cannot complain about that. So, so yeah, you guys leave a comment down below what you got in your Ipsy bag. And make sure you stay tuned to all my videos. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Till next video, guys. Bye.